Hello guys, what's up? How are you guys? What's up? How are you all? Good evening, good evening. I'm good. How are you guys? How's everything going on? All good? Pippin. I am planning to take some longs, scalps. I'm expecting some push uh or like some push coming from here, okay. So that is what I am waiting it out. 1 second. Are you guys getting a black screen? NY Open seems to be bearish, but like I am expecting some recoveries to come in on these things. Da. That's what I am like want to see. Like I am going to let's say like I am expecting Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those things to take this small liquidity which is here. It is now 100. I am expecting it to start to push on upside. Okay, so like a scalp I want to do, but like I will wait it out. Let's see how it happens. US 100 and US 30 also is like showing strength, which is also technically speaking, it is also a good sign for like bullishness. So if you are looking for scalp, yes, then uh, definitely we will be able to see some momentum. NFP is something which what I am expecting is like there will be some bearishness is going to come in. Okay. In all these pairs, especially US 100 and US 30 is going to shows weakness only. Okay, so when I'm saying weakness, there is a good chance that like we will start to see a decent amount of bearishness, not like something which uh, usually whenever there is like bullishness which is happening before the NFPs or anything like that, we tends to get a massive amount of sell-offs. Okay, this is something which is usual. Okay, I will take some longs now. I want to try some scalp. So, do you guys want to enter with me? You can try, but like I am taking with a very small positions only. Because still market is still bearish. So 6357 843. BTC is like still like I just want this to close here, like then we would have like seen some good bullishness. That's why I waited. But But this liquidity sweep also looks very good only. And I really want to scalp. Okay, I'm going in. Okay, I am in on BTC as a long. Okay. This is scalp only. So probably you guys can also look for this one. Ethereum also I want to get it. 1864. If it's going to dump from here, probably we will see another massive dump only. So I want to try this scalps. That's it. Sol also is in a good demand, so I'm going in on that as well. Okay. So three I have taken for scalps. Okay. So I have risk only around 1 to 1.5 percentage only on these three trades. So let's see how it is like playing out. So I am long. How many did you guys enter? I'm good, bro. How are you? Did you guys enter? Anybody entered? See, Sol is moving. Ethereum also moving. Very good. Did you guys enter? Da? How many of you are in? Why didn't you enter? I told you, you guys can enter. Look at the movie. Scared? Why is scared? See, I just want to show you guys how I usually scalp. That's why I thought I'll come little late. Look at the move. We see 1 percentage. See, I'm like usually I'll target this level, bro. Let's see if it has fuel to reach this level. Or it will just get rejected from here massively. I am expecting like slightly bullishness only, but like let's see. But market. Okay, I just want to see like how actually like how much momentum is going to pick up here is like what I want to see. So if it is like getting picked up momentum from here, then we can actually look for a really decent momentum to come in. Okay. So hopefully we'll see like some decent momentum pick up and break this high. So let's see. How many of you entered? Only two people. Take two of you guys entered. Scalp? No, I don't check volume. I've already told you guys. No, like I was like also like not feeling good about my cap trade, so I reduced my capital to 12 lakhs. I'm in on BTC with entered. Okay, me entered. I have entered BTC and so okay. Anyone else? And I just click on some quiz answers, like it will show you the right one. Then just click and move on. That's it. Cover any sell opportunity. I'm not sure that. Like I am expecting like little recovery to come in on Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's what I wanted to do. Like I am not expecting a huge momentum or anything like that, but I am just expecting it to go till here. That's it. Like if that happens, I'm happy. You have entered each trade. Oh, nice, good job. Okay, yeah, are you guys watching anything? Bro, I am also bearish only. I'm just trying to scalp only. So if this trade comes back to CTC, I will probably exit it. That's it. Okay. So I'm what I'm trying to do is I'm only scalping in like this moment. Okay, so if it is like coming down, I'll be also happy to like scalp on there as well. So I'll trail my SL in all these things into CTC. Okay. Confirm, confirm, and confirm. So all these trades are now risk free. Okay, all the trades I have made it to risk free. If it is hitting my stop loss, it's fine because like I won't lose anything. If it is playing out well, like let's let it run. That's the only thing. Not sustaining, not sustaining, not sustaining. Watching hype, river, river. What are you guys doing? Long. I guess long or short, da? Just like when you are telling me like watch these things, like mention which like mention also like what you want to do in that also. Okay. I'm going short and yeah, it's totally fine, bro. Like I am trying to scalp, so I was trying to scalp only, so I went long. Now I made my rush to CTC. Like if it is now coming back, I will exit at that time. See, my goal was like, see, I'll explain what I was planning. So this liquidity got swept. So I was expecting an impulsive move from here to here. That's it. Okay. So there was the supply which was here. Now probably my stop loss is going to get CTC going to get triggered in all these three because there is huge amount of selling is coming. That's why I was playing safe. Understood? So when it comes to scalping, it is not about like the what is the overall structure, like what is and all. We try to grab the momentum which is coming in the market. So the momentum was showing us like in the market opening, it is showing us like okay, there is some bullishness is there in the market, which is showing you momentum on upside. So what I did, I went to like go for that and I started like looking for a scalp. So now what happened? It moved and then I trailed because like whenever we are scalping, it is very important that like we trail our results aggressively. So otherwise like we will have like lot of losses. So I've trailed my stop loss to CTC. I'm just sitting comfortably here. Like if it is going to come and hit my stop loss at CTC, it's totally fine. If it is like going to go from here, happy for that also. That's it. So that is my mindset. Okay. That is my mindset usually when it comes to trades. Like I play with like my psychology very properly. I want to be like in control of my trades, and I don't want to just randomly look into trades. Okay, so Bitcoin we have like stopped out at CTC. Okay, Bitcoin we have stopped out at CTC. Trust 2 is running. Probably Ethereum also now going to hit our CTC. But I have a strong feeling that like it will bounce. Oh, look at this beautiful short setup is building. US 100 and US 30. US 100 and US 30 is going to dump. Gold also looks like it is going to dump. So seems like everything is becoming bearish. Seek. Seek, what do you want to do? Long, short? Long or short you guys want to go? You can take gold trade. So there is a coin called XAUT. Okay, that is one. Seek at the moment I'm not like, I don't think it is a good idea. Maybe look for a scalp. Okay, this will push. A very quick push will come. You can look for a scalp opportunity. Okay, so that's what you can do. Like very quick push will come in, and that is where like you can look for a scalp. That's it. White way. I don't think it is a good idea, bro. Pippin. There is no opportunities here, bro. There is like opportunity was here. Like if it was like breaking down, break out above this range was like something which would have been looked for. That is like gone for now. So now no. Kite. Mm, kite for short, like yeah, it looks decent. Looks decent. Like it can come down. No, I don't like the structure at the moment. If it comes up little more, then maybe look for shorts. At the moment, I won't recommend you to short. Like it's doesn't look good that great. Ross short. Ross actually looks good for long. It can start pushing up from here now. Okay, it can actually start pushing up like aggressively from here. Probably. That is possible. Mm. See, these coins I won't recommend you to trade based on supply and demand and all. Okay. Like the problem with all coins, like they won't respect your levels properly. So if you want to trade levels, try to stick with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. That is better. So if you are going to do that, like it will be like much better for you. These XRP look good for long. Let me check. Mm. No, bro. XRP doesn't look good at the moment. It's very consolidated. It doesn't look good. See, I am not like saying like this is like a good shot. Like this is like XAX is like not actually looking good for anything. That's what I said. Like so, I won't recommend to push short or like long here. Uh, See, I start with like larger time frame trend, Suraj. So I will look into like what is happening in larger time frame. Then I will go to smaller time frame to see like okay what exactly is happening in smaller time frame. So if the momentum is like picking up or like liquidity grabs are happening, that is a place where I will start looking for aggressiveness. So aggressiveness can be initiated like that way. GPS shot. Not at the moment, bro. I don't like the structure. RR like if it is like less like let's say like 1:1 or like 1:1.5 or something, then I would recommend is what I'm recommending is like you should start having a higher accuracy system. That's it. Arciner actually this is already pushed up now. Don't try to chase it now. If you try to chase it from here, it will be a very difficult thing. So don't try to chase it. It's not going to be good. Which all trades you guys are under? Doge also looks good for long bro. Na, 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 na. It's pretty boring day, no? Like market has like BTC short, yeah, probably at this levels, these levels. I feel like it will push little more high, bro. Little more high from here, then it will start to fall. I'm thinking to book my scalp also. Like I don't want to take a huge risk because if anybody is into prop risk or something like that, US 100 actually looks good for a short okay. Probably it will start to dump from here. US 100 and US 30. US 100 and US 30, if we are into prop test or something, you can look for a really solid shorting opportunity. It will probably will have a decent dump will be coming in. Bro, suppose we have three or more opportunity trade with the same strategy on each trades, and sometimes market make sudden moves and then miss out the opportunity for the entries. Can you suggest? See, like what you can do is like if you miss the entries, like don't regret about it. Like there will be another entry opportunities will be coming in. There is no issues with that. If you don't want to miss it, like put alerts. Put alerts that will help you a lot. Nice. BTC pumping again, yeah. Hmm. Okay, I'm booking both BTC and Ethereum. Solana and Ethereum. I have booked. Okay, I'm booking. So done. So two trades I booked. One in profit, one in CTC, two in profits. Okay, one in profits I have booked. Two in profits I have booked, and two trades I have booked at one trade I have booked at CTC. It's probably going to move up, but like I don't want to take a risk. I just want to scalp out little bit and then move. Okay, now let me try to scalp on the downside as well. I'm going to short Bitcoin now. Long I have secured, short run, short side scalp. 65, 61, 696. Done. Initiated. Short Ethereum. Only thing which we are going to do is scalping. 9235. Done. Solana 8020. Done. So I have taken 2 3 also, like for like short scalp also. Okay. So this is the thing, like it is still in the larger time frame bearishness only. So we try to grab this liquidity upside push, which we got. I am expecting some sort of like rejection from there. So if it is like going to hit it, we'll have to bear it. Okay. So if you don't want to take on this like short scalp, wait for it. Above this liquidity grab is basically that is a place where like you will have good entries. Okay. Once it goes above this liquidity grab zone, that is a place where like you will have a high accuracy entry. Otherwise, like you can enter here. If it is trigger stop loss, you will re-enter again at this level. Okay, this is my plan. So I will scalping is all about like getting in very quickly and try to get out. Okay, this is my plan. So let's see. So this US 100 is should be rejecting from here. BTC trade is like I have shorted it. My stop loss is 6561,688. I feel like it should be like, see, my idea is like this supply from here it should be dumping. Okay, either it should be happening or like it will go here, grab liquidity, then it will dump. So probability of a dump is very high. So we'll have to wait. Anybody shorted? Like a lot of people were interested in shorting. Like, did you guys enter shorts? Leverage doesn't matter, bro. Like I've showed you guys this multiple time. Leverage is basically to use your capital according to your risk. That's it. You should not be calculating your risk and all based on leverage. In respective of the leverage, make sure that your estimated loss should be always to that 100. That's it. So if you do that, like your trading is going to be doing a betting. Hmm. So if you want to have an aggressive entry, then this is your entry zone. Okay, I will re-enter into this zone again. If it is like going to come there, I will 100% I will be looking for a short opportunity here. So as you know, the larger time frame and everything is like very much bearish only, like 4 hour, 1 day, anything. If you look closely, like everything is like very bearish only. So it is, my advice is like will be like looking for like bearish opportunities only. Leaderboard, I will get updated in a minute, bro. So there was an error which just came from CoinSwitch side. That's why we couldn't update yesterday's leaderboard. Today or like tomorrow morning, that will be getting updated. I'm sorry for the delay. For a few points on India US deal, how to my see, bro. Like nobody knows what has happened in that deal. Even Indian Parliament is like asking what happened in that deal. Like nobody knows what exactly happened. What is actually inside that deal? Who's getting benefit? Who's like only speculations which is coming in. Like this is what the deal is. There is no official written document that's like came out saying that like this is the exactly what it is the deal is. We don't know. Nobody knows what is that inside. It is only Modi knows what Modi have signed. We don't know whether we they sold us. So even I don't know. Like, so yes, I think today there was a meeting which has happened for like the parliament for explaining the treaty, which is like I think the details of that has also not came out yet. So the deal is like still a very mystery thing for me. So I don't know, like without knowing in detail what is the deal and all, I won't be able to say support or criticize on it. That's the thing. Can we go long on Sol as it is trading at a? I would not recommend you to aggressively long anything at the moment, bro. I feel like there is another. Bro, there is nothing mother of that deal is there. Chumma randomly these guys are calling mother of deal blah 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 thing. Chumma. They are opening up the market, that's it. Like India is not going to get much benefit. EU people will get benefits, that's it. Tries to understand this thing. Majority of the deal is going to be in favor of like in Western countries only. We are ganda kuch nahi milega, especially for middle class people. The only thing is like going to they are going to make us do is like going to be like most probably is going to be like the rich guys will be getting little more richer. That's it. For us, हमको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Ulalalale, ulalalale, momelo. That is the slogan now. Correct, no? That is the song which everybody wants to hear now. After the budget announcement. Lale. Okay, so I'll leave now. The trade idea is again simple. If it is comes again to this range, okay, if it is going to break this high, reject from here, start shorting aggressively. That is your primary. Like I have already shorted it. Like if it is coming again there, that is why. What is your recommendation of aggressive short? I have already shorted, bro. I have already shorted. I am sitting with shorts only here. Look at it. Everything is in red. Short, 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 short. Maybe Trump has signed a deal with Moby blackmailing him release Epstein files. So Trump will never do that, bro. Because Trump name is more in that than like Modi. If any pages get released, Trump will be there in that page. So he can't do it. Like I was just going through this like Epstein kind of like documents and everything. I was like, how sick bastard like how sick is these bastards are like literally. Like the things which is written there is like oh yo. I was thinking like the world is really, 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 really a bad place. I was thinking I will do something bad in my life, but like our bad is nothing, nothing bad. I wonder, like I sometimes I wonder this also, bro. Like, have you guys felt like these guys are doing all kind of shit and like they are making all the wealth, and we are trying to be nice guys and like nothing is kanda kuch nahi aa raha hamare paas. So I feel like the code work in the opposite direction sometimes. God is like you enjoy everything here, then we'll look after you. Kind of situation is happening. Yes, bro. Correct. Nifty and all those discussion I won't be doing in this one, bro. Okay. Because I know I'm very much scared of SEBI. I'm not that rich to make that much fine. Okay. So I am not that rich to become like that much rich to give that much fine. Maybe later. Once I scam like a lot of people, then I will do it. I haven't started scamming people, so I don't have much money. Let me scam like another 20,000 people, then I will I will also start recommending this things. I will update. Okay. Okay. So I'll wind up for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll update the exits. Okay. So bye bye. Take care and good night. Have a good sleep. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. If you are shorting, then is it spot futures or options in crypto? Futures. Always futures. Okay. So bye bye guys. Take care and good night. Have a good sleep. Bye bye.